Today we're going to show you what difference soundproofing your home can make. We're in an ordinary house, in an ordinary street, and just like millions of people across the UK, our clients were suffering from noise from their neighbours. They were hearing TV, conversation, they were hearing music, dogs barking, doors banging, and today we're going to show you what difference soundproofing can make. We've soundproofed this room using our unique 4-step soundproofing method, and we're going to go next door, make some noise, come back in this room and see what we can hear. Now, to prove the experiment is genuine, we've got 6 cameras set up, all running simultaneously on the same clock. So we've got a camera in this room showing me in this room. We've got a camera in the neighbour's property showing that room. We've got 2 cameras outside. We've got Simon filming me, and we've got another camera that's going to show you how we've done it. Okay, so Simon, let's go next door, make some noise and see what we can hear. Okay. Okay, so we've got a few guys helping us today. Tom's just going to pass me the decibel meter. Thanks very much, Tom. And this is the decibel meter that we're going to use to measure the sound between the separating party walls. Okay, so we're just going to enter the neighbour's property now. So here we are in the neighbour's property. Just to give you an idea, normal room volume or normal ambient room volume is about 30 dB. And what we're going to do is we're going to make some noise. We're going to play music, and you won't be able to hear me because the music's going to be pretty loud, okay? Anything over 70 dB is considered really loud. So let's play that music and then let's go next door and see what we can hear. Oh, Simon, just want to zoom in on this and see what decibel we got here. Okay, that's loud, so let's go next door, see what we can hear. So we're just walking back round to the client's property. Remember, the cameras are still rolling. Okay, so we're back in the soundproof room in the client's property. The music's still playing, we've still got the cameras all rolling simultaneously. So I'm going to be quiet now. Let Simon zoom in on here and let's see what we can hear. Let's see what difference that soundproofing's made. Wow, okay, as you can see on that, you remember what the reading was on the music the other side? I'm genuinely surprised. What an amazing soundproofing result. Brilliant. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit the website quietco.uk.